Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix security violation. The software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it's not running, restart your PC and then the software. So let me show you how you can fix that. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to installed files and then you need to look for the software if it's here or not. For example, Diamond Tools, right? There is not software, there is no software, but there is leftover files and it can contradict with a game. So what we need to do first is to go to device manager, and on device manager, look if there is no Diamond Tools tasks on universal bus controllers. Here, as you can see, there is a Diamond Tools. So what you need to do here is to press and uninstall this device here. Then on system devices, look basically and search for the Diamond Tools here. Software components, so just go them one by one and look if there is no Diamond Tools here. Another thing, if it's not working, then we need to download Diamond Tools and then completely uninstall it. And to do so, just go to diamondtools.cc and just download Diamond Tools, right, to your computer. Then what you need to do here, you need to get a Revo uninstaller. This one. And it's completely free. You can download it and install it as well. Also, not only Diamond Tools, but other things can prevent you from playing the game, like Revast, DS4 Windows, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, and other programs. So you need to check first controller programs, and then check MSI Afterburner if it's running or not with Riva Tuner as well, because it usually it's the case why the game is not running. Okay. Then on Revo installer, you just need to go and search, look for Diamond Tools, click it, right click on it, uninstall. You can select restore point, but I don't really want it. And then you just need to here uninstall. On basically you get pop-up on Diamond Tools here to uninstall. But important part here, basically you will have an option to scan advanced, and then you can uninstall leftover files. And basically, as you can see here, there is a lot leftover files of that particular Diamond Tools. So you just need to delete them all, right? Delete as well, and you just clean and install Diamond Tools. So yeah, that's basically it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like.